I get this question all the time. Devin, what's the best way to spot an AI written section that sounds fine alone but breaks the flow of the whole video? The fastest way is to stop judging the section by itself and start judging the handoff. Here's the rule. Every section should inherit context from the last section and create momentum for the next one. If it does neither, it's probably the break. I use a simple 3-part check. First, the callback test. Does this section clearly connect to what was just said, or does it feel like a fresh start? Second, the promise test. Is it still helping answer the viewer's main question, or did the AI wander into something technically related but strategically off track? Third, the momentum test. Does the last sentence create the next question naturally, or does the script just hard cut into a new idea? A practical way to catch this fast. Read only the first and last sentence of every section. If one section opens at a different altitude, like more generic, more formal, or weirdly repetitive, that's usually your AI script flow problem. Then fix it with a bridge line, not a full rewrite. Usually one sentence is enough. What we just established, why this next point matters, and what the viewer should carry forward. Inside Satura, I treat that as a separate bridge pass after drafting, because coherence is a different job than writing. If you check the handoffs instead of the paragraphs, you'll find the problem much faster.